How's it going, guys? Andy Aranda here with Pure Plumbing and Air, and I'm here today to talk about the next level of drain cleaning. So you heard my last video talking about simple ways you can clear your drain without having to call a plumber out. Well, this video is going to go a little bit more in depth if you do have to call a plumber. What is it you need to look for when this plumber is giving you options, and what is going to be the best option for you? Number one, he's going to come out, he's going to give you an option for a drain snake. Now, this drain snake is going to poke a hole through the problem, but it's not really going to clean the sidewalls of the pipe. Well, why would that be an issue? Why would you need to clean the sidewalls of the pipe? Well, number one, drains don't block because of no odd reason. They either block because there's some type of obstruction, defect, or there's some type of matter on the sidewalls that could be catching stuff and causing it to block. Now, what that matter could be is grease. You want to remove that grease. So a snake isn't going to remove the grease. If you need to remove grease from a drain line, you're going to want to use a hydrojetter. A hydrojetter is going to be a power wash of the inside of your drain. It's going to clear stuff off the sidewalls and allow that matter to flow smoothly down the drain. Let's say you don't have grease down your drain and you have that blockage. A blockage is going to be caused by some type of obstruction, a slipped fitting, a belly in the line, which a belly is just a sag in the line that holds water that stops matter from flowing. So the water passes through, but the matter sticks there, and eventually you'll have to snake it or hydrojet it to clear that matter. Now, that's why it is so critical to call a plumber out, because after they snake or hydrojet your line, you're going to want to make sure they camera the line to make sure that they, number one, can warranty the line, and to make sure that you don't have to get them out anytime soon. Andy Aranda with Pure Plumbing and Air. Hopefully these tips and tricks have helped you, and if you need us, be sure, call Pure.